Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video we are going to be making some Indonesian noodles, so let's get into it. So first I added my eggs in a pot with water and I allowed that to cook while I prep my pepper and onions and some seasoned shrimps, and afterwards I added my pan with some water and I waited for that to boil before adding my noodles. While my noodles was on the pan, I just allowed it to get softened for a few minutes before taking it off and sieve it. And with my pan still on the stove, I went ahead and added some cooking oil and added my shrimps, and I cooked that for a little minute before adding my seasoned pepper and onions, and I stirred that off for another minute. Then went ahead and add my noodles and stir all together, and afterwards I just added my boiled eggs and it's ready to be served. So my friend decided to join me and we ate together and talk a little bit. We just had a good time. I hope you enjoy watching this. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.